Hello, my name is Jimmy and today you join me with the 2020 Jeep Gladiator Mojave Edition. If you don't have a Mojave and you're just looking at a regular Gladiator, it's going to be the exact same. Today what we're going to find out is exactly how well my Clek Liing as well as my Uppababy Cruz V2 fits in the Gladiator itself. So let's get right to it. All right, the back of the Gladiator. As you can see, I already have the base of the Clek Liing already in here, nice and secured. There's two sets of ISOFIX or lower anchors on the Gladiator itself, one for the driver's side and one for the passenger side. There are three sets of upper anchors as well, and those are right behind the seats, and that's very easy to get to. In terms of getting the seat in, let's take a look. In terms of getting the seat in is not too difficult, as you can see, but because of the roofline here, it is a little bit lower and the seat's quite high. It isn't a whole lot of room for you to squeeze the seat inside. So sometimes I've been banging the top of the child seat just on the top here. But it's not bad at all. There's plenty of room here for everything else. The seat in the front, I did have to move a little bit forward just to accommodate the rear facing seat itself. So for the front passenger, there is enough room, but I mean, if you're maybe over 6 feet tall, it's not gonna be as comfortable. Let's take a look at, well, the bed. All right, well, let's be honest. No one ever thought that this is ever gonna be a problem. There's plenty of room inside the Gladiator's bed here. I have the tonneau cover, which actually makes it a little bit more secure, so keeps the stroller nice and dry. And there are anchors on the side to, well, keep your strollers nice and secure so it doesn't start going around all over the place. So let's put it in. I mean, it's as simple as that, really, isn't it? I can open that up just to show you the garbage and whatever else I have in here. And that's really it. Gladiator. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below and we'll catch you next time. Take care.